How do you visit a volcanic eruption safely? Volcanic eruptions are absolutely fascinating, but they do include risks such as toxic gases, boiling hot lava, and potential new fissures opening up. Here are our best safety tips for visiting a volcanic eruption site. First of all, make sure that you're even allowed to go. Until Icelandic authorities declare an eruption site safe to visit, you should stay away and be patient. Once the area is open, here are 6 safety tips for your visit. Number 1. Stay on high ground to avoid gas exposure. Don't go into valleys. Number 2. Notice the wind direction and try to keep the wind in your back. Number 3. Do not step on any lava, not even from recent previous eruptions. What you see might just be a thin crust of solid lava. There's a risk that boiling hot lava is hitting right underneath the surface. If you step onto the lava, you could fall through. Number 4. Research the hike to get to the eruption site. Know how long you'll be hiking to plan your trip and pack food and water. Also, know your limits. Some hikes aren't for everyone. Consider joining a guided tour or booking a helicopter tour if it seems overwhelming. Number 5. Check the weather conditions and make sure you have the right equipment for the trip. Proper hiking boots and clothes are essential to keep you safe. Number 6. Always check safetravel.is for the latest information about the eruption. If the eruption site is closed, please respect it and save the adventure for another day when it's safe to visit. Save this video for your volcano visit in Iceland and follow Guide to Iceland for more.